Hey everyone, welcome to this unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max 64 gigabit. I actually have 3 versions of this phone. You'd ask, why do you have 3 of these devices? Well, I initially, when this device came out, I ended up getting one for my missus as a birthday gift. She has the complete maxed out version of exactly this color. This is the midnight green color. She's got the 512, and I brought myself another one of this device which I have broken. It's a complete mess, but I think I'm going to leave that for another video so I can show you guys how that really looks like. So yeah, this is the third one to replace my broken device, and it's exactly like the one that I had before. It's the 64 gigabit iPhone 11 Pro Max. So yeah, I just wanted to pretty much unbox this device, give you guys a first look of how it looks like and what you guys think of it, and probably help you guys make your decision in purchasing one of these. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, let's finally unbox the thing. Oh, that was a pretty hard bang. Let's put this aside. Yeah, so basically this is what you're welcome to. This is pretty much, wow, this is quite nice. It's got this sort of glossy matte finish on the back. No more of that glass backing where, you know, you'd be really scared to drop it. Yeah, and the inside of the Apple, if you guys can see, it looks like a mirror reflecting. Yeah, I can see my mirror there, my window. As people would call this part of the iPhone, the alien looking cameras, where you've got the 3 sort of triangle shaped camera with the flashlight and obviously the microphone. Yeah, that looks pretty neat. I mean, you are paying for quality once you purchase an Apple device, and as you can see, that's also, I think, a glass finish on the back of those cameras. Yeah, so this is pretty much the back of the device. This is what you're welcome to. It does seem like the cameras are sort of coming out of the case, but I guess that's completely fine once you've put a case over that. So let's go ahead and actually take the strap off, and let's put this to a side for now. Yeah, wow, this really looks neat. Wow, I mean, this is sort of like the green, the color you really can't explain. It's like this sort of, I mean, like it's exactly like they advertised it. It is sort of like this midnight green type of color with like these glossy sidings on the panels. But I mean, it does look really sweet. Yeah, and the screen is I would guess the same as the iPhone 10. But yeah, let's peel that off. Oh, that always feels, oh, it got stuck to my finger. Get away from me. Yeah, I mean, the screen just looks bloody amazing. Wow. This is just, I mean, you'll definitely get a lot of fingerprints on there, but it does really look good. And also on the hand as well, I've got quite pretty long fingers, but I mean, this is quite comfortable in the hand. Not a bad device. Honestly, it's exactly like they've advertised it. It's you can't get any better than this. Don't want to jinx you, Apple guys. But this does look really amazing, and honestly, it's the contrast between the blacks and the white, as you see the logo. You just literally, it's just pure black and white, and that looks so far really amazing. Don't know if you guys can get a proper look at that, but there isn't any shading or anything like that. It's just really well done. Yeah, I think I'll go ahead and set this up on the side, but I'll show you what's in the rest of the box. Let's move this to a corner there. And here we are. So this is pretty much your standard designed by Apple in California packaging, where, you know, you've got all your A to Z information, bonjour, whatever. SOS and how to turn the phone off and etc. Yeah, you've got more of that again. And another one. Obviously you've got your little key thing to open the SIM card slot. That's nothing on the back. And this is some stuff which nobody really cares about, blah blah blah, all of that stuff. And obviously you get some Apple stickers. However, in this case, I would have thought, honestly, with this device, they would have maybe installed the midnight green Apple logos, and if not a little bit bigger, just to represent the iPhone 11 Pro Max. But again, it seems like they've just gone with the standard. Well, yeah, I've got a million of these, so it doesn't really bother me. Yeah, and further in the box, you would normally get the iPhone charger thing here. However, I needed to use that in an emergency, so I unboxed this iPhone last week just to use that cable because I couldn't find all my other cables. However, you do actually get the normal headphones, as you like, no AirPods in there. I know many of you are wishing there would be AirPods in here, but unfortunately you get the cabled version. I'm not so much a fan of these. I'm pretty much using currently using the Beats Pro, these ones, which I would be doing a tutorial on as well. So that will be coming some point next week, so be tuned in for this video. It definitely will be a great one. So that to the side. Going back, I mean, yeah, everyone has a pair of these headset, and they're pretty much standard. Nothing really. They're cabled. I mean, they are really old school, and personally, I wouldn't really be using these anymore. So I actually will be on my first ever video, doing a giveaway on these pair of headset. So all you need to do is basically give me a first sub, a like on the video, a comment of what you thought of the video, and I shall be sending these out to you. So the first person who does all three will be getting these AirPods. Right, so I mean, this is again your pretty much standard Apple tutorial video where we basically just look through everything that's inside the device, obviously on the outside of the device and how the packaging is, etc. Going back onto the phone, the use case on the device and how I personally use it and what I use it for, if it's for business purposes or privately, I will be making another video on that, and also basically just a tutorial setup of the device where what are the differences between the iPhone 10 I think it's called XS Max compared to the iPhone 11 Pro. I'll be doing a comparison also, as I have both, and just basically what apps I have and how I use the device basically in a nutshell. That will be coming in another video. On top of that, I will also be making another video, which I'm really looking forward to, is my Apple MacBook Pro 2019 completely maxed out. So be on the lookout for that, guys. As I say, this channel is brand new. This is my first ever time actually going out and making a video of the technologies and the equipment that I purchase on a daily basis, just to give you guys a heads up and just maybe change your minds towards a device. Now my review products will most likely be heavily towards Apple. However, I do have a lot of devices which are non-Apple related, so those will also be on this channel as well. Like I say, if the first person to actually go out and give me a sub, like this video, give it a comment, will be getting a pair of these Apple stock headset. Right? So go out there, guys, and give us a sub and a like, and this will be yours. Obviously, this isn't the only ever giveaway in this channel. There will be many more. It's just the little teaser, as you would call it. the little teaser. Right then, guys, thank you very much for tuning into this video. It's been a pleasure reviewing the iPhone. And like I say, I will be comparing this to all the other devices that I have. And also next week, there will be a special video of me showcasing my broken iPhone 11 Pro Max. Right, guys, cheers. Thank you very much and wish you all a lovely day.